Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to do this Joker inspired eyeshadow. So if you would like to know how I did this, just keep on watching. So for this look, I'm going to be jumping into the James Charles palette and using this green shade for my brows. Now I'm going to be taking the Colourpop concealer in shade Fair 00 and putting that all over my lid. Now we're going to blend that concealer. Now I'll be taking the white shade to set my concealer. I'm going to be using a black liquid liner to start drawing the Joker. I'm going to start with the eyes and take your time with this because you don't want to mess up what you already started. Now I'm going to be taking this yellow shade from the palette and applying it inside the eyes. So I did switch to a brush tip liner only because I feel I get a better precision with it and the brush is a little more flexible. When you're applying the liquid liner, just make sure you're looking down. That way you don't transfer the liner to the lid. Also, make sure you take small brush strokes instead of trying to do it all at once. The best tip I can give you for you not to mess up is just practice. Practice as many times as you want. Sorry, my camera got out of focus, but I'm adding a line, a thin line, to start drawing the teeth. I'm going to be using a red liquid lipstick for his lips and applying it with a liner brush. Alright, now we're going to take this purple shade from the palette and I'm going to be making a wing with it. I'm going to sharpen up the wing by using a cosmetic wedge to clean it up a little. Apply that same purple shade to the lower lash line. And add a little bit of white liner in your waterline. I'm applying some mascara and then I'll add falsies when it dries. Alright guys, that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoy it.